Here's how to use CSS variables in simple steps. 1. Create the variable. Use 2 hyphens, followed by your variable name, e.g., main color. Assign a value to the variable, like a color, e.g., red, or font size, e.g., 16px. Here's an example. Cas, root, wink, often used to store global variables. Main color, red. 2. Use the variable. Instead of using the actual value, use the var function with your variable name inside the curly braces, tath for any CSS property. Here's how to use the pa main color variable, cas h1 color var main color ibri. Tips. You can use variables for most CSS properties like colors, fonts, sizes, etc. It's a good practice to use descriptive names for your variables, e.g., main background color. Consider storing variables within the root pseudo class for global use.